name is Xiao, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Friendly Robots Company. I'm a roboticist by training and by passion, and I thought the best thing we can do is to use self-driving technology to take care of floors. And being that we're here at the ISSA, we're actually going to speak real quick about how to find that really best integration of self-driving technology so that you can have better cared floors while reducing the shoulder and back injury from that bulk vacuuming work. And we know that with more vacuuming, we're actually going to improve our health and livelihood because we get a cleaner floor, we get increased air quality, and we don't have to have that human toil. And so that's the reason that I've been on this journey, myself and a few of us, for 5 years, building this thing essentially out of my garage. Yeah, so what the industry can do to promote a healthier and sustainable, it's absolutely sustainability. I mean, the whole model of our company is to leverage technology to sustain our standard of living through automation technology. A lot of the stuff we do, it's so important. And in order to just keep the lights on, to keep our buildings clean and fresh, we need to be able to take care of them. And robots are the perfect tools for it because you know what the finish line is. You want the floor vacuum. You want no leaky air ducts. Those are the things that robots are good at doing. And what people should do is to essentially design them, evaluate them, and deploy them. And we feel that that is a thesis to promote a healthier and more sustainable way of life.